In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate the Shopify admin panel for managing your store's shipping settings. Let's dive right into the process to help you control the shipping aspects more efficiently. First, you need to log into your Shopify account. Once you're logged in, head over to the main dashboard where you land as soon as you open up your store's admin page. You're going to want to get familiar with this dashboard, as it's your command center for everything Shopify related within your store. From here, the first thing we need to do is locate the Settings button. You will find this at the bottom left corner of the dashboard. Clicking on Settings will open up a menu with a variety of options. This is where you manage all the back-end operations of your store, from payments and taxes to shipping and checkout settings. Once the Settings menu comes up, you will want to find and click on Shipping and Delivery. This section is essential for setting up all your logistics, ensuring that your customers receive their goods efficiently. In the Shipping and Delivery section, you'll find several aspects you can adjust, such as shipping profiles, rates, and packaging preferences. Next, what we need to do is navigate to All Products. From within this area, you can oversee how your products are being shipped and make any necessary adjustments with ease. This is crucial because any changes you make here directly affect your store's operational logistics. Then click on International, possibly listing some primary countries like Austria, Australia, and Belgium, amongst others. This is where you manage different shipping profiles tailored specifically to international orders. It's vital to ensure you've set this up correctly, as international shipping has its own unique requirements and considerations, such as varying delivery speeds and customs processes. Following this, you should click on More to expand additional settings or options available. This is a handy tool to verify any additional settings you may have overlooked. Look for a section where you can review the conclusive information about your current shipping settings. Also, here's around the time you should ensure your customers' regions are adequately represented. If specific countries are not listed under your international shipping options, make sure to add them. This inclusion ensures you're not limiting potential orders due to oversight in shipping destinations. Remember, meticulousness in setting up these shipping options can make a significant difference in customer satisfaction and operational efficiency. By following these steps, you'll be better equipped to manage the shipping aspect of your store effectively, creating a seamless buying experience for your clients. That's all for our guide on using Shopify to set up and refine your shipping settings. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to reach out or explore other tutorials for additional insights. Thank you for tuning in, and good luck managing your Shopify store.